The third one of my writings is our loving nature. The sun pours its rays over the earth and makes nature glitter on a shining day. Sunlight, like waves in joy, rush against the shore and breathe over the tranquil bay. The seasons, beautifying nature in different girds, come round, and joins is heard in many birds' sound. God gives grace to all his living beings to live merrily, and this makes nature boost herself cheerfully. She feels proud of all her creatures and never wishes to see any of them with gloomy feature. She feels that love each other is the only rhythm against weaponry, against words like caste and creed, color and race, which should be abolished forever from the human dictionary. But the outbreak of wars, terror, communal violence, and the killings of the blacks like George Floyd make her frightened, and she asks the civilization, when will this end? Thank you.